Lamb chops are smothered in a delicious green masala and shallow fried till delicious. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Green Masala has featured very prominently on my channel. I've made several recipes using this delicious green paste. Today I'm going to be simply cooking some lamb chops. This is my Green Masala lamb chops recipe. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I have 2 pounds, that's 907 grams of lamb chops here, and I'm just going to add the juice of half a lime. Add salt and pepper to taste, and if you can, marinate this and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes so the salt and the pepper has a chance to work the meat. I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, and I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of Green Masala. To make the green masala, I will leave that link at the end of this video and in the description, but remember you only need 3 teaspoons. Massage this into the meat. If you can allow this to marinate overnight, it will be way more flavorful. I've got some oil in my pan and I'm going to allow it to heat up. Before I start to cook the lamb, I'm going to get half a cup of sliced onion into the pan. These are going to be used as a garnish. Once the onions get caramelized, add 5 chilies and cook that for about 30 seconds before taking everything out and keeping it aside. Now I'm just going to pan fry the lamb chops. Mine are pretty thin, so they're only going to need about 6 to 10 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. Once cooked, I'm going to remove them. This is ready to eat, garnished with the onions and chilies. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. It's so simple for green masala lamb chops. If you love this recipe, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it by leaving me a comment below in this video. Also, share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy this amazing recipe as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.